Hey everyone, Scott from Scott's Top Tips. If you want to elevate your home, throw up some backlighting on top of your cabinets. I'm going to show you how to do that, super easy. These basically tape lights or string lights, I guess, and that's more of like an LED tape. You can get these like at Home Depot, probably under 30 bucks, maybe even cheaper, but they're all remote controlled, and turn them on at night, just creates a nice ambiance within your area, and again, it elevates your home. So let me show you what it looks like up here, what it looked like. And well, you can see some of it's kind of flashing right now, but I'm gonna turn off the lights. This way you can see exactly what it looks like. So let me turn the camera around and I'll get up there for you. So I have my remote. I just hit the on, and it kicks everything on. And then I like this bottom right where it says fade colors. And it just fades it nice. You can see it's going from a yellow into a green. And this one here is actually going to go into even a different color here. So let me get the camera up here and show you exactly where it is. So you can see I just did little strips there, right in the back. Get up over my plant, just like that. You just lay them in there. And from down here, you don't see the lights. So you can backlight them behind, like I said, my Vino sign for wine. And it just, when it shines up, it lights up the ceiling. It just makes a cool ambiance for your home. This is very cheap. Again, it's under 30 bucks. I've had these lights for years. Now, one thing I do have to do is clean them probably every quarter, every 90 days. All of the grease from cooking gets up there. So I'll just take like a wipey, one of those Clorox bleach wipies, and I'll just wipe those down. But even if there is a little, it's no big deal. The light will just pierce right through that and still make it just look super nice. So if you get a chance, you want to, elevate your home, how to elevate your home, get some of these lights. You can even put them down below. I mean, I've seen videos where people put them under their couch, of course, behind computer monitors. You can put it behind your TV, but up here in the kitchen just makes it super elegant and nice. So there you go. We'll see you on the next one.